Good morning, children. English subject for second class. Okay, Nana, previous lesson, how things grow, second lesson, no? So, in the second lesson, we have completed some exercises. 12, 13, 14 pages we have already completed. Now, we will go into the page number 15. Okay, na? So many exercises are there, Nana. So, today, remaining few bits we will discuss today. Okay, na? Children, please open page number. All of you open textbooks, Nana. Page number 15, 16, 17 we will discuss today. Okay, na? Okay, na? Okay. Okay, Nana. F bit. So, today we will discuss the F bit. So, in the F bit, what is there, Nana? Listen carefully. Look at these groups of words. Here some words he has given, Nana. So, in that words, we have to identify the what we have to identify. I'll tell you now. Look at this group of words. Circle the doing word. Circle the doing word. Here we have to keep it mind clearly. The circle the doing word. Some words he has given. So doing word is nothing but what, Anna? Any work. Singing, playing, dancing, eating, drinking, jumping, playing. All these are what, Anna? Action words. These action words are also doing words. Doing some other work. Okay, na? So look at these groups of words. Circle the doing word. So, you want me to write on the blackboard? Okay, na? I have to write, okay. So, I am writing here, Nana. Only one I will write. Remaining all you have to circle by your own. Book, table, T-A-B-L-E, table, S-I-N-G, sing, N-O-S-E, nose. Now, tell me, Nana, in these four words, what is a doing word? Book is a doing word, Thing is a table is a doing word, sing is a doing word, nose is a doing word. That means from these four words, which of the word is doing some work? So book is work, no. Table is work, nose is work, sing. Sing means it is doing some other work, no. Sing and part mein pane kada, ona kada. So which word we have to circle it here? Yes, sing. Why we have to circle sing, Nana? Because he is asking to circle the doing word. Doing word is nothing but the action word. So singing means some other action only, no? Yes. So I think you have understood clearly. I think so, Nana. So shall we go to the second one? Okay. Next, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. P-O-T, pond. Now you have to tell me, Nana, what is the doing word. Doing word is nothing but what? Action word only. Okay, na? Now tell me here. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. P-O-T, pot. From these four words, which is the doing word here? Doing means work. So, orange is what? It is a fruit. Elephant, it is an animal. Pot, it is a thing. So, sleep is what? It is a doing word only, na? Why it is a doing word? Because sleep is what? Is doing some work. But sleeping is also working only, no? Yes. So we have to circle for the sleep one. Like this we have to circle. Okay, na? Now we will go for the third one. F-O-O-D, foot. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. D-O-L-L, doll. J-U-M-P, jump. Now you tell me, Nana, which is the action word, that means doing word? Foot, pencil, doll, jump. Foot is action word, doing word, pencil, doll, jump. Yes, jump is the doing word. That is nothing but the action word. So doing is your, what is doing here? Some other work it is doing. Yes or no, children? So jump is a doing word. So circle for the jump. Now we will go for the fourth one. G-L-A-S-S, glass. C-R-Y, cry. H-O-R-S-E, horse. P-O-N-D, pond. Now tell me, children, glass, cry, horse, pond. From these four, which one is the action word, that is jump? Doing word. What is the doing word here? Yes, cry. Cry means work only, na? Yes, so we have to circle for the cry. Okay, na? Yes. Shall we go to the next one, Anna? Last one. H-A-I-R, hate. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. R-U-N, run. H-I-L-L, hill. Now tell me Nana, here father run a hill. From this, which is action word, which is a doing word? Yes, run is a verb, no? Some other word, do work is, some other work, that the work is doing or not? Yes, so run is the doing word. So like this, you have to circle these 5 bits, Nana. You have to circle it properly in your textbook. So I think you have understood clearly, Nana. So shall we go to next bit? Next bit is what, Nana? G bit. Next bit is what bit? G bit. Okay. Now see, Nana, what he has given here. Fill in the blanks with describing the words from the box. Fill in the blanks with describing words from the box. So in the pink color box, he has given some words. Down he has given some sentences. We have to write the correct word for the sentences. Okay, na? Now this is a dash car. This is a dash car. So Nana, red, young, small, round, fast. This is a red car, young car, small car, round car, fast car. What is the color of the car will be? Red color. So answer is first one is R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Neera has a dash bicycle. Neera has a dash bicycle. What type of bicycle she has, Adna? Red bicycle, young bicycle, small bicycle, round bicycle, fast bicycle. What bicycle is having here? Okay. So, tell me Nana, what bicycle is having? So, we can write fast bicycle, we can write shall we write fast? Yes. Neha is having a small bicycle, fast bicycle, young bicycle, round bicycle. So, what type of bicycle did she have? Okay, na? So, fast we'll write Okay, Neha has a dash bicycle. Neha has a fast bicycle. Okay, next one. The earth is dash. The earth is dash. So the earth is dot, Nana, redder, younger, smaller, rounder, faster. How the earth will be? The earth will be round. Yes or no, children? Yes. Third one is R-O-U-N-D, round. What is the fourth one, Nana? A dash boy has come to meet you. A dash boy has come to meet you. So what type of boy can come here? A small boy has come to meet you. A young boy has come to meet you. Yes? A young boy has come to meet you. A young boy, Y-O-U-N-G, young boy. A young boy has come to meet you. Okay, na? Next, fifth one is what, Nana? Reena has dash feet. Reena has dash feet. What type of feet she have? Red feet or young feet or smaller, rounder, faster. Yes, Reena has small feet. Okay, na? This is your G bit, na? Now, H bit. Underline the naming word and circle the doing word. Underline the naming word and circle the doing word. So, Nana, listen carefully, children. This bit you have to listen very carefully, Nana. Please try to understand what I am explaining. Underline a naming word. So, in these sentences, some naming word is there and doing word also is there. For that, we have to underline. Number 1. I can write a story. I can write a story. Now tell me, Nana. Now tell me what he is telling. He is telling to underline the naming word. For naming word we have to underline, and for the doing word we have to circle. He is telling. So now tell me, Nana, here I can write a story. Write is what, Nana? Doing, some work he is doing. Story is what? It is a naming word. So for the naming we have to underline, and for story we have write me some work he is doing or not. For write we have to circle. Okay, na? I think you are able to understand what I am explaining. Okay, now second one we go, Nana. Please open the door. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. O-P-E-N, open the Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Please open the door. Here now tell me Nana, what is the naming word and what is the action? That is doing word. So door is a name. Door means what Nana? It is a name only, no? For naming word we have to underline, and for doing word you have to circle. What is the doing word here? Open. Open means opening some work is doing or not? Yes, open is the doing word. Okay na? Now third one Nana. Eat your dinner. Eat your dinner. E-A-T. Eat. Y-O-U-R. Your. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. Eat your dinner. So now tell me Nana, what is the naming word here? Dinner is the naming word. That means giving some name to that. Okay na? Next, eat is what? Some work we are doing or not? Eat is also work only, no? Eating also work only, no? Panchayati kadu kuda? Yes. So like that we have to circle for that one. Now we'll go to the fourth one, Nana. Fourth one is what? I play with my friend. I play with my friend. I play with my friend. Now tell me Nana, here what is the naming word and what is the doing word? So what is the doing word here? Tell me. Doing means a work. So playing is also work, no? So for doing what you have to do? We have to circle. Yes or no children? Then for friend what you have to do? You have to underline. Okay na? Understand things so Nana? Yes. Fifth one will go Nana. Sumi runs fast. S-U-M-I. Sumi runs fast. So now tell me Nana, what is the naming word and what is the action word? Action is nothing but the doing word. Sumi is the name, so we have to underline. Yes. Next, fast is what? Sorry, run is what? Work. Yes or no? Running is what? Working only, no? So run we have to circle. Okay na? Did you understand Nana? This point, sorry I have not mentioned here. This is the H bit Nana. This is the H bit. So up to here you have understood I think so Nana clearly. Okay na? You have understood clearly now? Okay, fine. So next bit we'll go to the I bit Nana. We'll go to the I bit. So children please copy down neatly. Okay na? Yes, we'll go to the next bit.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go for the I bit. We'll go for the I bit. I bit is what Nana? Make sentences using these words. Make sentences using these words. So Nana, make sentence this word means one word will be giving. Okay na? For that we have to make our own sentence. For that we have to make our own sentences we have to make. For example, clever. Word I have given clever. To this clever we have to frame one sentence. So I am a clever girl. I am a clever boy. Geeta is a clever girl. Okay na? Like that we have to make our own sentences. That is nothing but the own sentences. Okay na? Shall we start now? Okay children. So few words he has given here. We'll start here. So making sentence using these words. So what is the word here he has given? H-A-R-D, hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Hard means what Nana? Hard means what? So for example, diamond. If you take the example of diamond, how diamond will be Nana? It is a very hard. Okay now for example if we take duster. Duster is a hard or soft? It is a soft. Table. How the table will be? Hard only, no? Yes, you can take table, you can take diamond, you can take whatever hard words are, hard things are there, that all you can take. So I am taking here diamond. Diamond I am taking. So D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond is a hard substance. Okay, diamond is a hard substance. So I am underlining here hard. So for this hard we are framing the sentences. Yes or no children? Yes. Now shall we go to second one Nana? Yes. What is the second one here? Clever. C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. Clever. Just I told clever. You can know how to make sentence. So Ravi is a clever boy. Geeta is a clever girl. I am a clever boy. You can write anything. anything, whatever you wish you can write. Okay, Nana? So what will write? Ram is very clever. Ram is very clever. Okay, now you can write any sentence you can frame, Nana. Simple and simple, shortcut and simple word I have, sentence I have written there. Okay, now Ram is clever boy. Okay, now? Okay, next what is there? Sweet. 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 Okay, Nana. Most of the children like to eat sweets. Okay, na? Yes or no, children? Yes. So you can write what sentence? I like to eat sweets. I love sweets very much. Some children do not like the sweets. So too much sweets should not be eaten. That sentence you can write. So we have to eat few sweets only, like that we can write the sentence. So whatever sentence you like, you can write. So I like sweets very much. I like sweets. I like sweets very much. You can write anything, Nana. Any sentence you can make. Otherwise, you can make like that. You can write like that also. We should not eat too many sweets. Also, you can write. Okay, na? Ekku sweets tinakodu anukunta antam kada. That also you can write. Okay. Next one, friend. Friend. Friend, Nana. Tell me the sentence for friend. Ram is my best friend. Ram is a good friend of mine. That you can write. Next, two friends are right. Give them care. Any sentence you can write. Okay, na? So I am writing here. Sita is my best friend. Sita is my best friend. Sita is my best friend. So like that we can frame their own sentences. Yes or no, children? Yes. So we have completed the page number 15, Anna. So we have to go to the page number 16. So this you have to do by your own, and this homework I am giving. All the bits I will not do. You have to do by your own. So what he has given, Anna? Look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. One has been done for you. What is she doing? What is she doing? Okay, what is he doing? Here in the picture he has given, Anna. What is doing? What is the boy doing? He is reading. Yes or no, children? Yes, he is reading. Next, what is it? What is she doing? The girl, here one girl is sitting here, Nana. What the girl is doing? The girl is writing something. Yes or no? So what you have to say, Nana? She is writing. What you have to write? She is writing. Next, third one, what is there? What is he doing? Here, what is the boy doing, Nana? What is the boy doing here? Yes, laughing. So what you have to write? He is laughing. He is laughing. You have to write. You should write, Nana. Okay, now I will not write on the blackboard. You have to write by your own. Okay, now what is he doing? What is he doing here? What is the boy doing, Nana? He is playing. What is the boy doing here? He is playing. So you have to write by your own. So next page number 1717. So what is the boy is doing here? Jump, Kana. What is the boy doing here? Jump. What is he doing? He is jumping. You have to write. You have to do this work by your own, Nana. Okay, na? H bit. Okay. K bit. Homework. Okay, na? K bit is your homework. Okay. Next, we'll go to the L bit, Nana. Now we'll go to the L bit. Okay, na? See, look at the two pictures and read aloud the names of things down shown. So, here what picture is there, Nana? Kite. What is this picture? Kite. What is this picture? Fish. Fish, kite. Fish, kite. So, when we are pronouncing a fish, fish means I sound is short or longer. We can hear fish sound is short. Kite spelling is long. Kite we are pronouncing. So long we are pronouncing, short we are pronouncing. For kite, kai, I sound. For long we are pronouncing. So that kite, for kite, in the kite I sound is long, and the fish sound, fish, the I sound is short. So here some picture, in the pink boxes he has given some words. By seeing those words, we have to find out whether it it is a short sound or long sound. Okay na? We have to find out it is a short sound or long sound. So I will read out Nana by saying that you have to tell the correct answers to me. Figure, figure, figure. Short sound or long sound? Short we are getting. Yes or no? 9, 9. So we are getting the sound is how? Long sound we are getting. Yes or no? Yes. Dine, dine. So short sound or long sound? Long sound we are getting. Yes or no? Sing, sing. So long sound. Slide, slide. So long sound we are getting. 5, 5. So long sound we are getting. Ship, ship. So short. Kada? Giraffe, giraffe. So short sound. Hide, hide. So short sound. Swing, swing. So okay na? Short sound. So we'll see now Nana. We'll write the words Nana here. Okay na? Okay. So I think you have understood Nana clearly. So we are reading here sounds now. See here. Short I sound. Okay na? Long I sound. Short I sound, long I sound words. Okay. So now tell me Nana, short sound was what Nana? F-I-G, fig. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. S-H-I-P, ship. Next word is hide. H-I-D-E, hide. Next word is slide. S-L-I-D-E, slide. Cutting here, cutting, slide. Swing means long sound we are getting. Yes or no children? Yes, now we'll see the long sound words. So 9, N-I-N-E, N-I-N-E, 9. Dine, D-I-N-E, dine. Sing, S-I-N-G, long sound we are getting. Sing. Swing, that is also long sound we are getting. Yes or no? 5, F-I-V-E, that is also long sound we are getting. So Nana, up to L words we have completed. I think you have understood the topic Nana. Okay na? Up to here you have understood, I think so. So these are the short sounds and long sounds Nana. Little bit you may be confused, but if you go on pronounce 2, 3, 4 times, you can able to find out the differences of this. Okay na? If you have any doubt Nana, please make a call to me. So I will explain it later at home. Okay na? Okay. So these are the exercises we have completed Nana. Up to L exercise we have completed. So children, K bit is your homework. We have to do it neatly and clearly Nana. Okay na? Okay. And enter into the textbooks neatly and clearly. Okay na? Okay. Thank you.